Hey, good morning, y'all. It is Wednesday morning. I think it's the 23rd. I'm doing a little DIY, do-it-yourself boat project, and I wanted to bring you guys along. I am putting the boat to bed for the winter. I was going to do a video of winterizing it. Hey, y'all. Yeah, it's me again. Hey, coming to you today, what we're going to do is winterize the boat. The shanty boat, the lojomarine boat. I went ahead and got all the sides, the roof off of it, got it all cleaned up, vacuumed. Actually took it to the car wash, washed all the mud off the carpet, and now I'm getting ready to winterize it. Just got done watching a video of my friend Brenton, who has Backwaters Brenton, and he just made it through St. Louis Sunday morning. Had it so easy. I wish somebody would have told me to wait, and I would have made it through there, I think, a little bit better. But I'm so happy that he got through there with no difficulties, and he's just continuing his trip. I'm going to leave a link in the description of his channel. If you haven't checked it out, please go check it out, man. He's got some fantastic videos. And I'll tell you what, he's got some commentary on it, and he talks about life. And he has sure made me think that when you do a trip like this, you kind of need to have your mind clear and not really have any worries back home. I tried my best not to have any worries, but my camera battery died, so I wasn't able to do all that. But I did winterize the motor, and I stored all my stuff on it, which I'll show you. And what the DIY project is I'm going to make a canopy for the boat and put a tarp over it, just tuck it all away, and I'm working with PVC pipe, and that's what we're going to do today. And I'm going to take you up top and show you what I've made one already, but I got to make 5 more. So stay with me. I'll show you how this is done. Of course, I have all my junk on here, all the boating stuff. It takes it out of my shed so I can store my lawnmower and four-wheeler and stuff like that. But what I'm getting ready to make is this little archway right here out of PVC. It's 3/4 inch. I bought 2 T's for the bottom, which I'll show you. Which that's 1 T on this side, and then there's another one on the other side. And then I just had 2 vertical pieces go up with a 45-degree angle, which is right there. And then I cut a piece that would make a good arch. These are 10-foot sticks, and just for the vertical ones, I just cut it in half. I'll get you an exact measurement on it, but and then the top one I had to cut just a little bit to make it fit right. And I'm going to put them all the way up. Almost fell on my ass. I'm going to put it all the way up throughout the boat, and then throw a tarp over it. And that should keep all the snow off of it. They say we're going to have a bad winter up here in North Missouri. So I wanted to get it all covered up, sealed up, and then so it'll be ready for next year. Alright, hey y'all, wanted to show you what I'm doing. I set up a stop block here, right here, and I measured, this is the one that was on the boat, and I just measured it from there to there, and so I can just cut 5 of them real quick, and they'll all be the same height. So let's try it, see what happens. It's going to be a loud noise here. Now what I'll do is measure these two and see if it's the same weight. They should be. And they are. That's good. Good. So I'll just cut 5 of them real quick. Okay, what I did is I bought enough elbows to go on either side. I wanted to measure this real quick and let you know the distance on it. So the archway that goes across it, I cut it at 83 inches. Let's double check it. $93 I cut them at 93 inches. Now we're just going to put these 45s on it. So it'll just be a lot easier once we get it over there and get it get them all the same way here. Yep. I'm missing one. Damn it. Now I gotta go back to Lowe's. Yeah, I sure am. Yeah, that's alright. Alright, now what I'm going to do is set up another stop block to cut the little short ones right here. And they are 45, so the vertical ones that stands up on each side of the boat is 45 inches. Alright guys, I got this jig set up. Like I said, this was 45 inches, and I just set up a little jig right here where I put the small one in there and I can cut a bunch of them the exact length. So let's cut one and then that's two of the vertical ones. And they should be the same, and they are. Cool. Alright, then over there, we got all of the vertical ones cut up, and I bought these tees here, and wanted to put them on the bottom of it to give it something to stand on. But if for some reason I can't get them to stand up, I'm going to drill a little hole in here and then screw them right to the deck. But let's see what happens. Alright, let's take it all to the boat. The hell is up with that? As you can see, we got it all tarped up. It was a pain in the ass with the wind. But I may tarp it up again a little bit tighter, bigger tarp. But anyhow, the rain ain't going to get it. Hey, thanks for staying with me, and share the video. Give me a thumbs up. And I'm still looking for my first patron. So if that's you, go ahead and sign up. All right, guys, we'll talk to you soon.